Hello US, Microsoft has just started roll out this year annual feature update Windows 11 version 25 H2 which began roll out at the start of October 2025, and it already looks like Microsoft might be preparing for next year first feature update known as 26H1. If that sounds familiar, that's because before Windows 11 was released, Windows 10 used to get two major updates every year. For example, 21H1 and 21H2, where H1 referred to the first half of the year and H2 to the second half. According to the Phantom of Earth, as well known and trusted Windows enthusiast on X, Microsoft is now working on Windows 11 version 26H1. This upcoming update will reportedly be exclusive to new Windows on ARM devices running Snapdragon X2 chip, also known as Copilot PC. Phantom of Earth explained that 26H1 is mainly designed to provide support for Snapdragon X2 Elite hardware and is not meant to be a full-scale update. Instead, it's a temporary release to bridge the gap, including features that were developed after 24H2 but were not included in it. So basically, some features that didn't make it into version 24H2 will appear in 26H1 for Copilot PC. Though some features will later be available for all users with 26H2, both AI and non-AI version, and at that point a Snapdragon processor won't be required. Sometimes similar happened last year. Microsoft released Windows 11 24H2 early in June for Copilot PC, but it didn't go very smoothly. Many users felt the update was rushed and not properly tested. The general rollout of 24H2 happened later in October 2024. It's look like Microsoft might follow the same strategy again. Early update for Copilot Plus devices, likely with AI feature, is 26H1, and then the full public release 26H2 later in 2026. However, Microsoft has not yet officially confirmed any plan for 2026 update. So for now, we will have to take this as speculation. Through Phantom of Earth has been a reliable source in the past. In short, some PC may receive 26H1 earlier, while most users will get 26H2 toward the end of next year. It might feel strange to already be discussing next year update when 25H2 is still roll out, but I just want to keep you updated as always, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.